This YouTube studio is fake, as is this one and this one. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos look stunning and professional completely free using just your mobile phone. So if you don't have the budget to buy expensive equipment and accessories like I don't, then this video is for you. You will learn how to replace the background of your videos and make them look realistic in CapCut. I have already done this video before, but most of you raised some concerns. So in this video, I'm going to address those concerns and more. So let's get into it. To achieve this, you need to follow 3 simple steps accordingly. Step 1. Record your video. Now, this is probably the crucial step in your video. To make sure you achieve the best results, you need to keep these things in mind. Make sure there's a clear separation between you and your background. Sit at a distance from your wall or background. This creates a sharp edge around your body and makes it easier for CapCut to remove the background of your video. Also, make sure the color of your shirt is different from that of the color of your background. Otherwise, it will be difficult for CapCut to detect your body and separate it from your background. Another important tip to consider to make it easier for CapCut to remove your background is to sit behind a plain wall or a plain backdrop where there are no distractive items. Also, make sure there's enough light on you, which will remove shadows and make it easier for CapCut to remove your background. In the absence of any external light source, just sit in front of your window. As a bonus tip, make sure your video is not shaky by putting your phone or camera on a tripod in order to achieve the best results. The goal is to make it easier for CapCut to remove your background, so that later when you try to replace your background, your video looks nice and blends with the new background. Once that is done and dusted and you now have a good video to work with, the next step is to download a new background image for your video. You can go to freepik.com where I downloaded an image in my previous video. So open your browser and search for freepik.com. Click on the search bar and type YouTube Studio Background. Then click on search. Scroll down to the bottom. As you can see, there are amazing background images here. With the right editing, you can use any of these images and make your videos look nice and professional. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Once you see the image you like, simply click on it and then click on download. You can also generate nice background images using AI tools like Midjourney, Leonardo.ai, DALL-E, and many others. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm not going to dive into any of these. But let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to do a video on these AI tools. But in this video, we are going to use the AI image generator in Canva. So open your browser and search for canva.com. So this is the Canva interface. When you open Canva for the first time, you might be asked to register. So go ahead and register with your email. Now, when you are new to Canva, this might seem intimidating at first sight. There's so much going on here, a lot of buttons and graphics here and there, but don't worry, just pay attention and you will understand perfectly. On this channel, I'll be posting graphic design videos as well, where I'll be using Canva a lot, so you will learn more about it and you realize how amazing it is. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Alright, so enough of the talk, let's get to business. Navigate to the top right corner, you will see create a design. Click on it. You will see some suggested sizes here. Make sure you select YouTube thumbnail. This will give us the exact size for our YouTube video and make our background image to have that same size. So click on YouTube thumbnail. So this creates a new blank page for us. Now the first thing to do is navigate to the left and click on Elements. Scroll down to the bottom and you see AI image generator. Below it, you see generate your own. So click on it and we are going to generate our background image. Here in this text box, this is where you will describe your image and the AI will generate the image for you. One thing to note is that you can see at the bottom here, use one of 33 credits. So basically you have 50 free credits. And as you can see, I have 33 credits remaining. So once you have exhausted your 50 free credits, you will have to upgrade to Canva Pro before you can use this AI image generator. So let's go ahead and generate our image. So simply click here and let's describe the image we want. So let's say create a desk with a flat screen on it, a YouTube, alright, sorry, let me quickly cancel this, a YouTube logo on the screen. By the way, I will leave this prompt in the YouTube video description. And then let's say a table plant. So feel free and just describe whatever you want in your background image, and the AI will do just that for you. It will generate that image for you. Alright, so we can have something like a modern lamp. Let's have an art piece on the wall. Feel free to adjust this and edit it to suit your interest. Just tell the AI whatever you want and it will generate for you. So once you are done, you will find generate image at the bottom here. So click on it, and in a matter of seconds the AI will generate the image for you. So here it has generated 4 images. As you can see, these very nice and beautiful images it has created for us. You can click on generate again if you are not satisfied with the results. So basically I will just go with let me click on generate again and let's see. So I think I'll go with this one. So just click on it and it will be added to the page. So let's wait while it is added. Okay, so as you can see, the size of the image is smaller than our page. So resize it to fit the entire screen. Adjust it, place it wherever you want. So I think this is fine. Okay, alright, this is fine. So if you downloaded your image from freepik.com or any other platform, maybe your image is smaller than the required YouTube video size. So just follow the same process, create a new design and select the YouTube thumbnail size. Upload your image here and resize it to fill the entire screen. Alright, so you can add some more images so that you have more options to work with. To do that, just click on add page here and let's add this one. Alright, so let's resize it to fit the screen or the page. Alright, so just like that. I think this is nice. Let me bring it down a bit. Alright, so I'm satisfied with this. Okay, so like I said, you can edit or twist the prompt to suit your interest. I think I'm going to add something new. Let me go there and add an RGB light setup to the prompt. Okay, let's generate and see what we have. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. So we have some beautiful images here. I think I'll just go with this one. So I will click on add page and click on this one. So let's resize it to fit the entire screen or page. Alright, so this is fine. Let me bring it down a bit. So this is fine. So once you are done and you are satisfied with your images, the next step is to download them. To do that, simply navigate to the top right corner and click on share and click on download. So you can see the file type is PNG. If you want to download it as JPEG, you can feel free to select it here, but I'll just leave it as PNG. When you come down, you see select pages, and as you can see, all pages, that is 3, are selected. If you want to download only one page, you can click here and select the page you want to download. We are going to download all the 3 pages, so we click on done, we leave it as it is, and then we'll click on download. Once you are done downloading your image, so the next step is to head on to CapCut and edit your video. Navigate and locate CapCut, open your CapCut, click on new project, click on photos and select your preferred image. So I'm just going to select this one. Okay, now let me select this one and click on add at the bottom right corner. And so now you import your video. So at the bottom you will find overlay. Click on overlay, add overlay, and then now go to videos and select your video. So click on add at the bottom right corner. Resize your video to fit the screen. Alright, so now we want to remove the background of our video. At the bottom, scroll to the right and locate remove background. Click on auto removal and wait for CapCut to remove the background of your video. This will take a few seconds to few minutes depending on the length of your video and the speed of your internet. Next, let's adjust the background to fit the entire video. The next thing to do is to blur our background. So to do that, let's go back and click on effects. Click on video effect and let's look for the blur effect. You can find it under the lens tab. Click on the lens tab, scroll down and locate the blur effect. So this is it. Click on the
this
blur
YouTube
effect
studio is fake.
You can click on it again and then to adjust the intensity of the blur. So let's select 20 or 25. I think that's fine. Let's see how 30 looks. 30 is fine. Let's
this
take
YouTube
30.
studio
So
is fake.
click on OK and adjust the blur to fit the entire video. Okay, so our video is looking good. One more thing we can do is to adjust the video and make it blend well with the background. So let's select the video, scroll to the right and locate adjust. Click on adjust and then you try to do some manual adjustment. So let's look at the contrast. Okay, 20 looks good, and then let's see. So you can feel free to experiment and see how best you can make your video look. So let's give it a sharpening of 20. Alright, so I'll come to shadows and add a little bit of shadows to it. I think 10 will be fine. Let's see temperature. I think I won't add any temperature. Okay, let's see vignette and add a little bit of shadows at the corners of the video. So let's see. I think 10 will do. So that's pretty much it. You can feel free to experiment with it and see how best you can make your video blend with the background.
If you have watched up to this point, and I'm confident this video was useful, please show some appreciation by liking this video, share this video to your friends, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future. I can't wait to see you in the next one.